Alright guys, so here is my first ever YouTube video. I'm going to be opening up Pokemon cards. As you can see right now, I have Pokemon Sun and Moon Unified Minds. So let's open up this bad boy. Anyways, I'm sorry about the bad quality and lighting. I am recording this at 12:39 a.m. in my room using my cell phone. So let's see if I remember right. How do I open these things up? I don't remember. Damn, I really don't remember. Alright, whatever. So here you are for like that one person watching this. So if I remember right, 1, 2, 3. You take this out, I hope. Yellow. So let's see. We have Recycle Energy. I don't care about that. Breloom, I think that's how you pronounce it. Komala. Aeroblast. Fletchling. Honedge. We have Pikachu. My boy. Hoot Hoot. Escavalier. Then we have Licky Licky. Freaking weird ass picture. Anyways, this kind of sucked. So let's go with the next one. Same thing. Oh, actually, Pokemon Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. This time it has Lugia in it. Anyways, I hope no one comes in and sees me recording. It's kind of embarrassing. Hold on. Alright, sorry about that little cutout. I thought someone was gonna come in. Anyways, Lost Thunder. Let's open up this bad boy. Alright. Cool. Once again, for that one person, shout outs to that one viewer. Let me fix the quality. There we are. Alright. 1, 2, 3. The energy card, I hope. Yes. There we are. Let's see. We have Brionne, Trumbeak, Ninjask. Oh, sorry. Hoppip, Piggypeck, Slugma, Poplio, oops, Litleo, Chandelure, and then Zorora. I don't even know how to say that. Anyways, this guy looks cool, so I'm just gonna keep him. These other ones can go to the side. Alright, this is the last one I have since I only brought 3 because I had to buy other stuff. Alright, oh, this picture has a Mew and Mewtwo. Let's go, the boys. Damn it, dude, I can't get this open. Alright. Here we are, once again. The code. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go to the front. Take out the last one. Fighting type. Alright, so we have Oranguru. I don't need that. I don't need this either. Wimpop. Noibat. Sneasel. Bounsweet. Joltik. And Honedge. And what is this one? Leaveney. Alright. Cool. That is my unwrapping video. Or at least an attempt for it. The only good one out of this was this bad boy right here. 3 booster packs. $12 for just one Pokemon card. Alright, cool. Peace, deuces. See you next time.